ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four came waddling back. Quack, 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 where are you at? Come back, my little pack. Four little ducks went out to play, through the stream and past the bay. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three came waddling back. Quack, 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 where are you at? Come back, my little pack. Oh no, they're lost in the sun so bright, hiding away from morning to night. Mother duck's heart starts to crack. Will her ducklings find their way back? Three little ducks ran through the trees, hopping by flowers, buzzing with bees. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two came waddling back.